Welcome to Pump It.
Hello, my name is Izzy Young.
And I'm Sam Crick, and this is Pump It.
Pump It. This is the only trading game show where you can win life-changing money by making the same decisions that maybe ruined your last relationship.
That could be very true. And look, here's the deal. We've got 2 teams. We've got 3 traders on each side. And of course, there's one winner, and there's always one loser.
And there's going to be a lot of men maybe discovering what liquidity actually means.
What an incredible image. Look, guys, if you're watching at home, do not copy trade, okay? Try it at your friend's house. It's much safer, and you won't get in as much trouble.
Okay, moving on. Let's meet our trading teams. First up, he's the Bitcoin brainiac. It's Captain Diogo Carvella.
How are you? All good?
Hi, Diogo.
Very nice to see you.
Very nice to see you as well. Introduce us to your team.
Of course. So, on my right, I have the king of music and the Bitcoin millionaire, Trap. That's my boy. That's my boy. And on my left, I have the queen of altcoins.
Hi, guys. And James, let's hear from your team.
The space, as a lot of people know, for 8 years. I've been trading for a while now. I've got Ruslan, the top trade in CIS region, on my team. Marsha, also from Canada and also CIS region. So I think it's going to be a walk in the park today. We've got a very experienced team. And yeah, we came here to beat these guys.
Absolutely. There's going to be a lot of competition today, Izzy. And, you know, we cannot wait for Pump It.
We can't wait for Pump It.
It's going to be huge.
It's going to be incredible.
So these guys have got 2 big teams. You know, I'm not sure what we should call them, but I think, in all honesty, this team is very bullish. And I think we should call this team the Bulls.
Ah, sounds good. Kind of sounds like bullshit.
Maybe. Well, what have you got over on your side?
Well, you know what, Sam? I've heard through the grapevine that Diogo has a huge portfolio. So maybe let's call them the Whales.
The wet whales. I like
The
it.
wet whales.
Yeah.
Even more fitting.
And the big bulls.
Okay.
Ready to go. So our team are at the ready. We cannot wait for the rest of Pump It. Of course, there's winners and losers, as I mentioned before. But both teams will open trades, and they will run live until the end of the show. Okay? They'll battle through challenges, build up their fat wedge of money, and win the overall game.
Yep. And at the end, the team with the biggest wallet takes the whole pod home.
And the losers will probably be taking a cab.
Ooh. So, the real question we're all waiting for, who will pump and who will dump? There's only one way to find out. Let's get on with the show.
Absolutely. So this is the part, guys, where we find out who the real trading geniuses are and who's just counting on that magic 8 ball to ruin their finances.
Yep. Guys, you're about to open your first live trades. Okay, this is real money, real markets, real consequences. So naturally, you'll make decisions based on vibes, trauma, and that Telegram group chat called Crypto Boys 69.
Crypto Boys 69. James, how is that group chat going? You founded it, right?
Absolutely brilliant.
Fantastic. We'll hear more from that and a lot of James's dating life later in the show.
Okay, now Diogo, let's hear about your trade.
I mean, I think, to be honest, I'm thinking about opening a long position. I was just commenting right now with Trap, and actually checking here on the chart, actually this is very bullish. Look, Bitcoin just had a huge impulsive move. So my bro was talking to me right now, and we are feeling for a long position. So the structure currently is bullish, and I think we are about to open a position to the upside.
Now?
Yeah, what do you think?
I think we should wait till it goes a little bit downer.
Yeah, actually I was checking now, and we currently have this white line here, which we call the VWAP, which is a very important line, the average price, and actually we were thinking about waiting until the price might retest here before we enter. But actually, if we see the price breaking now, we might enter the position right now. So this is what I think.
I agree.
Right?
I'm
what
with
do you
you,
think,
Diego.
Trap?
All right, so we were actually just strategizing, and
I think Bitcoin is definitely going to be the move to make. We were talking with Diogo how we're going to manage the risk.
Yeah.
Most of the funds we're going to put into the highest cap, which is Bitcoin. And we are going to take this trade. However, the entry is probably the most important thing after how we're going to exit the trade. So right now, I think since we're working with a small time frame and we have to make the most amount of money, the last thing you want to do is lose money. So what we're going to do is make money, and we're going to do this by picking the right entry point, and we're going to have to exit quick. And as soon as the market turns around on our position, we're going to get out. So I'm with Diogo.
Yeah, I mean, overall, like the last few days, Bitcoin pumped a lot, but we actually right now see kind of a recovery. So why don't we enter a long position right now? Like with a small amount. Let's do it right now. Yeah,
Moving in the down.
yeah, I think we're going to open right now, like around the
So look, that
$200 position.
that wick that came down on the last downward candlestick, the second one, you're looking at this on the 30-minute chart, right?
Yeah, correct.
So open up the 5-minute.
So changing gear for the 5 minutes.
All right. So here it's starting to stabilize,
Yeah, some consolidation right now, right?
right?
Yeah.
Overall, on the big picture, it's moving up. So, I mean, these next candlesticks are probably going to stabilize very, very soon, it looks like. They're going
Yeah.
to start moving up again.
And actually, I was checking right now on the chart, like the money flow is red, which is not that good. Like if we want to see this money flow turning green, I think like the price might bump more, to be honest. So,
Are we guys gonna put a stop loss?
yeah, we always use a stop loss. Sometimes, actually. No, we're gonna wait a little bit before we enter our position. So, but so far, this is what we see in the chart.
Well, right now, we kind of have what I'm seeing from 2100, which is yesterday, 9 p.m., and today at maybe around 4:30, 5 o'clock. We
Yeah.
have almost what looks like a double top formation. So it retested the resistance.
Correct. Yeah. Here.
It may retest that line again. However, right now, on the smaller time scale, what we looked at, it is starting to stabilize. And overall, I think it's going to move up again. So we're not in this trading for more than 2 hours, and it's going to give us more than enough time to make some profit in that direction. If you look at after when it reached the first high before it dropped down again, that was yesterday a little bit after 9.
Yeah, correct.
After that, it took a little drop until maybe like 1 a.m. And after that, it's been making higher highs. So,
That's why we're still bullish.
right, we're still bullish from the lowest candlestick over the last 24 hours up until now. We're still seeing higher highs and higher lows pretty much. So I think if we enter a long, it's going to be profitable.
Yeah, I think we should wait a little bit, to be honest. Let's wait what is going to happen, and we take a decision in a few minutes, I would say. Yeah.
What do you think would be a good zone for an entry?
Well, I think around the VWAP area, this one, around 91,200, 91,300, this would be a good zone to open a long position, yeah.
I mean, obviously with anything you buy, the cheaper you can get it and the more expensive you can sell it, the best. But do you think it's going to break past this new higher low that it made right here?
Correct, yeah.
I think this higher low is at...
This
I mean,
one, yeah.
I like the way that you want to get into the trade. Obviously, you want to buy it as cheap as possible for the time frame. However, it might not reach that lower level again because it is making higher highs and higher lows. So this, you see like the bottom wicks where the last...
Yeah, this one's here, yeah.
The bearish engulfing candle where it turned around right here. Yup, right there. So I think that might be the lowest level that's going to reach on this impulse.
Yeah, let's see.
Okay, Wales, you guys are a motley crew, but you're presenting a united front. And this is just to announce the trades are officially open.
And let's head over to the Bulls. I've got the Bulldog himself. So, James, firstly, there was a lot of talk there, a lot of jargon talking about candles. Are you guys going to light it up?
I wasn't even listening to him, to be honest. It just went in one ear and out the other, because whatever comes out, their mouth was gibberish. So I think, look, my computer's frozen, actually, so I'm just waiting for it to unfreeze. But Ruslan's going to start off. We're going to basically take it in turns. He's going to do the first half. I'm going to do second half. I think what I'm looking at is I'm looking at the market being a bit bullish today. So I was zooming out on a bigger time frame, but as I said, it's frozen on here. So Ruslan will go over just kind of what he's looking at. He's going to start the first session, and Marshall will just translate.
Okay, amazing. And what do you think of the team as well? It's going to be a big competition between the Bulls and the Whales. What do you think it's going to take to beat these guys?
I think they talk a lot. They're talking about up, down, sideways, fucking all over the place, right? But I think when it comes down to actually trading, they're either going to do it very, very low risk, so they stay in a competition, or they might do a bit higher risk and just get liquidated. So I don't see them being any competition at all, to be honest.
Well, I
think this is the first time they've actually even opened a trade. So
I was actually
they might
calling
need a
with my
handbook
buddy.
on how to actually open the trades first, which would be
I was actually calling with my buddy in the morning. He was like, "Oh, you're gonna trade with James today?" I'm like, "Yeah, I'm gonna beat his ass." And he was like, "Oh, but James doesn't have a strategy." I'm like, "Yeah, bro, that's why I'm gonna beat his ass."
I love the fighting.
Be ready, bro.
We're gonna have that throughout today from the Bulls and from the Whales. Of course, you've got a great team behind you, great experience. But let's spice this up. Should we have a challenge, maybe, Izzy?
I think we should.
So our first challenge today is going to be between the Bulls and the Whales. It's going to be a bit of a nice task for them, just to get things started.
Yes, it will be. So this one is called Pattern Match. Okay? So we're going to start. Team captains, please choose your first contestant and bring them up to the ring.
So, yeah, I mean, since this is about the pattern...
Let's hear those rules.
Oh, yeah, we need to hear the rules.
Welcome to Pattern Trap. Here's how it works. Traders have 30 seconds to identify as many crypto cards as possible. Highest combined speed and accuracy wins the round.
So a great opportunity for both of our teams to get some points on the board and to win some money to add to their pots that they will be using throughout today in order to win the overall prize. I think what we need to do now is nominate one of the team to come down and take part in this tough challenge. What do we think, Izzy?
I agree.
Okay, let's start with Diogo's team. Who are you going to nominate?
I'm thinking... Aren, I think you're the best for this one, right? Let's go.
You trust me?
Yeah, Aren, let's go. Come on.
Okay. Well, then I want to fight against Masha. You're going to take the lead after. Okay.
So this pattern trap activity is going to be a tough one. You're going to be shown a series of cards.
Okay.
And then you have to tell us exactly what it is. You can pass on some of these if you wish, but try not to pass on too many. You want to get the maximum amount of points possible.
Okay, I'll try my best.
Let's get the 30 seconds on the screen, and as many as you can get in 30 seconds, you'll become a winner.
Okay.
Let's cue it up. $30 seconds on the clock.
There's a bear flag. There's a triangle, a symmetrical triangle. That's a cheese. That's a wedge. That's a rising wedge. Yeah. I have no idea what is this. That's moving average. Oh, really? Okay. That's something that breaks. Building a structure, breaking of a structure. That's a triangle again. So that's a descended triangle. Yeah? No?
Okay.
No?
End of the round.
All right.
Good try. Okay, Masha, your time to shine.
Yes.
So we've seen what the Whales have. Let's see what the Bulls have. Marsha's going to take us off with 30 seconds on the clock.
All
when
right.
the first image comes up, your time starts.
RSI. Liquidity grab. Some missing value. Fair value gap. Falling wedge. Fibonacci retracement. Head and shoulder. Volume profile.
Wow.
End of the round, Masha. You are our winner, taking it home for the Bulls.
Yay!
Congratulations.
Fucking hell, that was good. Got all of them.
So a very bullish attempt, Izzy, as expected. And we're definitely bringing the fire in both teams. And, that concludes our first round. So our scores at the end there, 7 points to Bulls and then 6 points to the Whales. So super close. But we add them and we give them an extra $50 for their win.
Good job, guys. Your wallets are fuller and ready to trade.
Absolutely. And I think we should give the losing team a chance to win a bit of extra money as well. What do you say?
I feel bad for the whales.
Yeah,
you
I
know?
feel bad for them too.
You know, and Sam, I've seen you've been working on something, a little artistic project.
I don't know what you're talking about.
You don't?
No.
I think you have a Men of the Year calendar that you're just too scared to show the audience.
How did you know about that?
I've been sneaking into your office.
It's not in my office, so I don't know where you've been.
Come
What
on.
are you going to do with it? Don't show anyone.
I'm going to show them, and you know what? They're going to respect and appreciate your work.
I don't think so.
Don't worry, okay? I'll give you a trade. If they laugh, we don't give them any cash. If they don't laugh and they respect your artistry, we'll throw them a few bucks. How does that sound?
Guys, just generally, I care about this a lot. Please don't laugh.
This is his life's work.
I will try, I'll try.
No smiling, no laughing, not even a smirk.
It's gonna be hard.
So, let's bring the calendar on the screen. Wow.
Good one, January. Very good.
Mr. January. That's a change from fireman.
Wrong.
Okay,
Right,
let's
see
see Mr. February. Ooh.
Yeah, a good mate of mine, Elon, Mr. Mars, some people call him.
Okay, no one's laughing. It might be a tide. Get the rocket ship there. Mr. March on the screen. Bring him up.
Oh, wow, Mr. Mars.
Wow, James.
He looks familiar.
What's that?
James. Too many crypto trading nights.
I think we definitely got a laugh over here from the Italians.
Definitely's got on the cut.
Did you let one
Masha
slip?
laughed.
We're good, we're good. We
Hey,
didn't
you're
laugh.
rigging the game so your team wins. I heard laughs all around here from
I'm
James,
impartial.
Masha.
I'm completely impartial with these two teams. I love them equally. But obviously, I want these guys to win.
You know what? Enough is enough. I think we'll give both teams a few dollars.
Sounds good. It's going to
Yeah.
help them along the way, and there's going to be challenges throughout the whole of this competition of Pump It. So, the way it stands right now, let's have a look at the scores. So, over on the Bulls team, we're going to add $50 to their pot, taking them to $1,050 of active trades to be made today.
Yep.
And then, of course, with the Wales, we have an overall point score of $1,025.
Okay.
This may go up, it may go down throughout today's competition.
Yep. And let's take a look at those trades, shall we?
Let's have a look. Let's go talk to the teams.
So, what's crack-a-lackin', guys?
Well, we just opened a long position, actually, as I was telling you
We can
guys.
start trading.
Should have earlier.
So we opened, our entry price is 91,505. So we are currently with around 0.7% loss. It's nothing. So currently, I mean, I'm aiming higher, and I was discussing with Delatrap, and I feel again like Bitcoin is going to go higher. So I'm feeling, yeah, I think we're good. $600 position, 30x leverage. I think we're
Wow.
good right now. Yeah.
30x leverage. Don't know what that means, but it sounds good.
What do you think, Delatrap? I think we're good, no?
I think we're looking good. I mean, obviously,
Yeah,
it's
this-
not going to go straight to the top when you get into the position. There is some drawdown, some consolidation is going to take place, but when everything is planned out and when everything is strategic, it's going to work out. So I'm confident with Diogo's reasoning, and I stand by the trade.
Yeah. What do you think, Irene?
Sentiment is bullish right now, generally, so I'm with you guys. This looks bullish to me as well.
Yeah. I mean, we are targeting around 91,900 for the first trade. So this is around, since we use 30x leverage, it's a
We can start, by the way, yeah.
1 to 4 risk to reward ratio, which is good. So we're managing our risk good so far. So let's see.
Sounds pretty good.
So
You
a
got
lot of
that?
collaboration with the Wales. Let's head over to the Bulls. So, Bulldog, James,
Yeah.
how are we looking so far? Obviously, what are the trends looking like since we started? Did we open any trades? What was the plan?
We're just about to open a trade. We're about to long a coin. I'm not going to say which coin. Also looking at a potential rise for Bitcoin shortly. Just waiting for it to fall back and then potentially break out of this level here. Ruslan's just looking to open a trade at the moment on another coin.
Solana, actually.
Is this open?
which volume open?
I want to see.
Yeah, he's just looking at a trade at the moment. We're just kind of scanning the market to find some good opportunities.
One of the crazy things.
I'm looking more Bitcoin and some of the higher market caps.
Yeah.
And Ruslan's looking more of the kind of quick scalping moves and direction where we're going today. So,
And
yeah, I'm going to get ahead shortly.
Yeah, I was going to say one of the crazy things is like obviously every trader has got like their own strategies and they trade differently. Ruslan here is like he's known for his crazy trades. He opens like full ports the account sometimes, so it'll be very interesting to see. Whereas like I'm very like risk averse and I'm conservative. So when obviously we're like trying to talk to each other and come up with a strategy, it's just like we got different point of view. So just combining all of this is very difficult in a way.
Oh, wow. So maybe some internal conflicts happening.
Not a conflict, but
we're not too worried.
Marsha's meant to be the translator, but she could just about speak English, so she's not great at it. What she's trying to say, actually, I don't have a clue what she's trying to say. So basically, what we're going to be doing, so Ruslan's going to do first session, I'll do second session, and then we should open trades. That really confused me when you said Marsha.
Over here. What are you thinking?
Yeah, I mean, they don't even know what is a long position and short position. Like, who's this? Like, what is he talking about? Like, and this dude, he doesn't even know how to speak English. Like, what the heck?
We haven't heard from him.
That's perfect, because you just focus on
Is
the
he
trading.
actually a trader? I
Go
don't know.
home, yeah? Go home, guys. Come on. Just give up on this.
James, has the team got anything to say back to the
I don't know. I think I'm in a doghouse with Marsha.
Did they say
Some
something?
internal conflicts happening right now.
Now there is. There wasn't before.
Seems like your ship is sinking.
Well, let's hope not. Otherwise, I'll be switching sides to the winning team.
I like the
What's
sound
the
of
question,
that.
Marsha? What's the question?
You guys are quiet in your confidence. It speaks for itself.
Super impressive, and I think especially the amount of experience that both teams have. But also maybe some egos at play as well.
Very much so. We're hearing a lot of the experience. We're not seeing it.
These guys even open the trade yet?
They have.
Yeah.
Speak more about your trades, Diogo.
I mean, actually,
what are you opening?
I'm looking at the chart and I'm gonna open a position on a token called James. Doesn't know anything about crypto, but
James
I
don't know
didn't
anything
find
about
that
crypto. It's a
ticker
new
right now.
coin.
Yeah, but actually, like, we are about to get stopped out on our first trade, which it happens. We're currently losing around 3.5%, $28. So we're good. It's still the beginning. We have time. We have our stop loss here around this order block, but it's let's see. Let's wait. We might average down our entry price, but this is our current trade. We are still waiting for a Bitcoin move that we can,
this looks like
try to open some long positions on altcoins. This is what we currently see right now.
And Delatrap, you're pretty quiet over there for a rapper. What do you have to say?
Hey, whenever I talk, it has value.
Oh.
So when I'm thinking, I'm just strategizing. You know, when we discussed with Diogo,
drop the mic. Drop the mic.
Look, James is a nice guy. James is a nice guy. I've never been a hater. He's a good trader, but I ain't even worried about James. I'm worried about the Russian guy. He's like a silent killer.
Wait, do you guys have history? Is there a bromance here? A falling out?
Nah, not a bromance, but you know what I'm saying? Look, men get better through competition and real recognize real. So James, you know, he's a man of integrity, and I'm glad to compete with somebody against him, but I ain't even worried about it because we're going to beat him.
Okay. But you're a little worried about Mr. Assassin over here.
Look, the thing about him is the mystery. He's so quiet and so concentrated. It's like I'm watching him, you know what I'm saying?
So you're intimidated, is that what I'm hearing?
I'm not intimidated, but I'm definitely cautious.
Okay.
In other words, intimidated.
Oh.
I mean, that's the thing. He doesn't even know how to speak English. How does he know how to trade? I mean, he can, but I wouldn't be worried with these guys
pretty quick. With our translators on board. And look, James, for you, where do you see the future with crypto? Obviously, we're looking at this in terms of a day trade, but how do you think crypto is going to rise or fall in the short to medium term?
So I'm looking at a Bitcoin going between like 94 to 96, then a fallback to late 60s, potentially an overextension from there, and then come into the parabolic stage of the bull market. Now, if you look at what happened last cycle, everyone thought it was dead. It went very flat. It started going down. We had like a 50% correction or 55% correction, and then it started going parabolic. So when everyone thinks that we're in the bear market, it's actually the corrective phase of the bull market, and then it starts going parabolic. And then the next dump after that is the the bear market, but everyone says we're in the corrective phase of the bull market. So it's just about really understanding the markets, understanding the cycles, and doing the opposite from what everyone else does.
And it is all about timing, right? You've got to get that timing right with any sort of day trading or if you're going long. You know, for you guys today, and what's it going to take for the bulls to take the win, even with some internal conflicts by the seams of it?
It's not really the timing in terms of timing the markets. It's more in time, like in the markets, in terms of understanding the markets. With day trading, obviously, it is very difficult compared to swing trading. Borderline gambling, but obviously, if you understand kind of the patterns and liquidity and stuff like that, you can kind of come out on top, especially the team that we've got. Good about it. I just hear what happens. We're going up or down.
And talk us through. That looks like a bit of a drop. What are we seeing?
I don't think we've opened a position on that one. We haven't opened position on this match, have we?
Which one?
This one.
And James, you're talking about gambling, you're talking about the future, the unknown.
Yeah.
How is AI going to play a part in all of this?
I'm not really an AI person. I use ChatGPT, but I don't know a lot about AI. I know that we've had a massive AI season in terms of AI narratives, but if you, in crypto, earlier in the year, but with the AI season when all of the AI coins were pumping, 99% of them weren't even AI. They were just called this AI, that AI. So I don't really think many people understand fully what AI is because it's not fully there yet. I think it's just like chatbots, ChatGPT, and yeah, AI agents and all this shit. But I don't know too much about AI.
You know what AI can also do? Make some funny videos, I can tell you that.
I've been seeing some funny videos online
as long as they're not
using AI. And funnily enough, James, it's interesting you mentioned that because we've lined up a few for everyone to enjoy.
Yes, we have.
Brilliant.
I think we should pull them up. I'm waiting with bated breath.
15 USDC.
I love AI videos.
The time has come to reveal the identity of the real Satoshi. I've known it. I've known it all along. Are you ready? It's me, bitches.
Not enough margin.
My good friend Trump.
Not enough
wearing
margin.
clothes that time. Just don't recognise him.
I know you're used to seeing him
in my
after
calendar.
hours.
Yeah, behind closed doors. I wonder if we've got anything else.
I think we do. I think we have his bestie, his frenemy, his fallen lover. I think we have an undiscovered video of him.
Yeah, Mr. Mars. Here he is. He's the main man, isn't he? And what a great guy. And you know, James was mentioning about AI. You know, we see on Instagram some of his morning routines, and it seems he's posted one this morning as well.
Hey guys, get ready with me this morning. I'm just going to do a fresh face routine because I'm filming Pump It later today and I'm so excited for that. I'm just starting off with some foundation, then I'll do a bit of light contouring.
Wow, James.
And that is on his Instagram right now.
Go and check it out.
Not using AI.
Oh, no
right?
way, you're joking. Is that actually on my Instagram?
Yeah, it is. Your skin is on fleek, your hair, the glasses, head to toe. I think I need to take some tips.
And we continue to bring the energy at Pump It. James is currently scrolling for his Instagram rather than looking at his trades. So maybe a new opportunity for the whales.
You know, like, I was thinking right now, like, Crypto Bro 69 Telegram group, now a video, like, doing makeup. How can you trust a captain like this? Come on, like, James is clearly a loser.
Sounds suspicious and is talking about suspicious. Can you tell us about Shishido? Is that
no,
the correct word, or is
actually,
that sushi?
I was actually checking right now the chart. Just let me tell you something, because we opened a trade here, and I just added another $400 right here, and I was actually using Satoshi because I was asking like what is the sentiment on Bitcoin right now, and Satoshi was telling me right now that the current sentiment is moderately positive, which is good. That's why we're all bullish here. So we believe that the price will go up. So overall, like, the sentiment is good. And I was checking here also some posts on Twitter, and overall there's a very good sentiment. And you know, like, I use Satoshi on a daily basis because Satoshi helps me on my trading on a daily basis, like from scalping to day trading to swing trading, everything. Because literally, I can ask anything. For example, I can ask what's the sentiment in crypto, or is there a bearish divergence in the chart or a bullish divergence. I can show you right now, for example. If I come here and let's say, for example, I don't know what is a bearish divergence, I can come here and what is a bearish divergence.
Okay, so this is the ChatGPT for traders.
Exactly.
Ah.
Like, it's definitely the best tool ever. Like, I love it. And you see, like, if we don't know what is the bearish divergence, Satoshi will explain, you know? And we can ask anything, which is amazing.
You can be honest with me. Are they sponsoring you?
No. Della, what do you think about Satoshi, bro? Like, I use it on a daily basis, bro.
Well, I'm relatively new to this. I've used ChatGPT and Grok. So right now I'm actually taking notes about Satoshi. This looks pretty cool now that I'm seeing you use it.
Oh,
it's like a specialized AI chatbot for crypto. So I'm sure they pull more data from exchanges and different databases specifically for crypto, which looks like it has a lot of information that comes from different threads, different publications. So it's good that it filters out a lot of the clutter and it gives you more specific trading insight. So I made note to check out Satoshi later.
What do you think, Aaron?
I was actually checking the chart. It's going to go down.
It's going down, right?
Yeah.
It's going down.
How are we going to correct this?
Well, we're actually currently losing around $36.
Guys, don't do this to me. I bet so much money on you guys winning.
Yeah, don't worry. We still have time. We're going to win. Because actually right now, I think the price will test the VWAP line around 91,200. So we're still good. But look at this. We are just getting support from this support area, which, look, it's pumping. You can see.
It's
like
pumping.
Look at this.
Just in time.
Look, it's actually pumping a lot. Look at this.
Look at this, guys.
This area where the last candlestick that had this wick right here was. And even if we got into this better entry, we could have still got wiped out because this little candlestick right here went right below it. And depending on what exchange you're using, sometimes
I think
not the swap, the DYOR, what was the term?
What?
Let's say on an exchange, if you get really close to wherever your stop loss is, it might just close you out.
The liquidation orders. Actually, I'll just add another $100 to our position.
But this is why this is gambling. Like, it's 50-50. There's not really a strategy to say from here it's going up or down.
There's actually a strategy. Here's the strategy. And I use Satoshi for the strategy. It's all about this. Like, for real, like, besides all the things you see in the chart, I use Satoshi every day to help me and support me on my trading decisions. It's amazing, for real. And you see, like, these guys, they're just there, oh, bro, I'm looking at the screen, I don't know what I'm doing. And we are doing trading. This is the difference. Bro, you should have been
I don't
here.
know about you, but he's 100% sponsored by Satoshi.
Nah, bro.
And let's fly over to the bull side before we get into the next step. So, you know, for you guys, it looked like at the start it was tanking a little bit, but we've saw a resurgence. Talk us through it.
Currently down slightly, not by a lot. Currently down slightly, just waiting for the trade to turn around and just scoping out other things in the market. To be honest, there's not a lot of volume at the moment, so it's just difficult to find anything. I think the trade that we're in is going to do really, really well. I'm just looking at the moment. It's going to do really, really well. It's gone back into profit now.
And what exact trade are you in right now, James?
Mon USDC. Solana, a new coin that launched for Solana. So I think that launched the other day. So currently in that, obviously it's very volatile at the moment. Just looking for other opportunities, to be honest, in the market.
Awesome. And the rest of the team's feeling good? Marsha, how are we doing?
I think so.
Through gritted teeth, are you guys still arguing?
There are no arguments so far.
Okay, all right, I guess we'll see. Look, let's get the competition back between the two teams. You know, we're seeing trades come in left, right and centre. I think, Izzy, we should jump into another game.
When do you
I agree. I've been hearing a lot of talk. I need to see a little movement. Less talk, more action. What do you think about this?
I like it.
I like it too.
We should move into our next game. So look, it's done now. It's been mind-boggling with the different words and lingo. I think we need to learn a few new
crypto
words.
lingo.
What a great idea.
I think that's a great idea, guys. Let's hear the rules.
Welcome to Crypto Lingo. Here's how it works. Players have 2 minutes to act out as many crypto words as possible without saying a word while their teammates guess. When time's up, the team with the most correct terms wins.
Okay, guys, welcome to Crypto Lingo. It's just like charades, but with crypto words. Guys, who are you going to nominate to be your first mime?
Let's go to the Bulls first. So, Bulls, who are you going to pick to do your mime for Crypto Lingo?
Let's.
Yeah.
We pick Ruslan for this one?
That sounds good.
Because the questionnaire at the end will be, because the questions will be very difficult.
Я нет, я не...
Ruslan?
I can go.
Я не
All right, we're going to pick Marsha.
Okay, we're going to pick Marsha. Let's come up, let's give her a big round of applause. Okay,
All right.
Marsha, you can face this way. So, this is your first one.
No words, right?
No, you've got...
We need to guess
Okay,
what
let's
she's
put
saying.
the timer up on the screen.
I think.
You're going to present to the team
Ready?
when you're ready.
Yeah.
No.
So we have to guess what she's...
Do I have to do all of them? Like,
You need to face this way.
okay.
Okay, so, first one, off you go.
All right.
Higher highs.
Yes, correct. All right, so the second one.
Candle.
Same bull market, long,
Do
Next.
it again, Marsha.
pump.
Pump.
Again, more.
Pump it.
All right, next.
Whale.
Kitty.
Yes.
Whale.
Come on.
Hi. Hi. High five. Where we can't see.
All right.
Oh, wait.
Close.
Stop loss.
Yes. All right, so next one. I think I'll just have to put that.
Where the camera's delayed, I'm seeing it after. Wait, do it again. 100K. Bitcoin.
Triangle. Pyramida.
Okay, 1 minute to go.
New all-time high.
All right, let's do the next one.
All right, next one.
Next one.
Oh,
Up and down. What?
straight.
Rug pull.
Yes.
Реально? I'm just kidding.
Good guess.
Go down, you know.
Oh, yeah.
Okay, 30 seconds left.
Lower highs. Lower lows.
Next.
Bear market.
Next. Yes.
Bear market. Nice.
Yeah.
Okay.
I think we definitely won this.
10 seconds to go.
What is this?
Run.
Wait, Marsha, what's that?
That's time. Let's
right.
stop
What the
there.
fuck was the last
Big round of applause for Marsha.
Thought you're leaving.
Moving average.
Good job, Masha.
Okay, well done.
Sorry, guys. Thank
Okay,
you.
That was good, that was
Diogo,
good.
Wales, who are you nominating?
Della Trap.
We definitely won
bro.
that.
Let's go.
Della Trap.
We're gonna make it.
Getting
We're
a
gonna
nice
make
chant going.
Yeah, Della Trap. It rolls off the tongue. Okay, Mr. Della
I'm going to stand
Trap.
between you guys.
EMAs.
I need you guys for support.
Okay, I'll be your mutual support. Don't you
All right.
worry. But you look right there in the screen. You do your little charades. You do your dance. You make the
Okay.
magic happen.
All right.
Okay, your first word. Are you ready?
Yes. Okay, guys.
Face the front. Face
I was
these.
going to face the guys. Well, they could see me.
That's
That's
a blockchain?
Yeah.
All right. That's right.
Yeah? Awesome.
Next.
And you can hold this and have your next ones.
All right. Okay.
Solana.
Solana.
You got it.
Aye.
All right.
That's an okay? Top?
No, Bitcoin. Number one.
Yeah.
There you go. You got it. Bitcoin.
Come on, fast, bro, fast.
Cold wallet.
Okay. All right.
Yeah. Let's go fast, bro, fast.
Okay.
Driving. When Lambo?
What?
Lambo?
Less than a minute to go.
Driving.
Stop loss?
No. To the
No
moon.
noises.
Brakes?
Money, profits. Bull run, all-time high.
Gas? Gas fee?
Gas fee.
Yeah!
Yeah, it's very difficult.
Fast, bro. 30 seconds. Fast.
Right, 30 seconds to go.
Hey, can I skip one?
Yeah.
All right.
What do you think?
Money. Liquidation.
One,
It's gone. Rug pull.
3. Yeah.
Downtrend?
Downtrend.
Money supply? Money? Is it money the first
Money,
word?
5 seconds to go.
Money in the pot.
Liquid? No.
3,
Jump.
Liquidity
2,
pool.
1, and time.
What was that?
Final.
Buy the dip.
Oh,
Bro, you're swimming, bro.
I'm dipping.
I think we should check those scores. See
Yeah,
where
let's
we
check
stand.
the final scores, because I think some of them were dubious. We heard a few
But we
weird
did well, we
noises
did well.
from Della Trap there. I'm not sure where those
It was
came
like a
from.
celebration
You're
after they
just
guessed
trying to
it.
make up.
On January 3rd, 2009, Satoshi Nakamoto unleashed Bitcoin, a revolutionary idea that would redefine the future of money. Witnessing the financial chaos and instability of 2008, Satoshi crafted a revolutionary solution. In 2010, behind the scenes, Satoshi had also began creating something more, an AI search, and a secure browser designed to protect and evolve his vision. An AI trained over 14 years to secure and decentralize the crypto space has emerged in 2024 to shape the future of the crypto revolution, uphold Satoshi's vision, and drive rapid growth through advanced AI and innovation. Satoshi, the phantom in the computer looking for a soul.
By the power of Crypto Tower. I have Satoshi!
Welcome back to Pump It.
Guys, we're really excited now because we've got the Bulls, I think, in the lead, and the Whales just trailing behind a little bit. But we want to give them a chance to catch up. But first, let's hear from the teams. We're going to go to the Bulldog, James, so captain of the Bulls. Let's talk through what's happening right now in your trades, because you said it's right between time zones as well, so maybe the volume's a bit down.
Yeah, volume's a bit down this time of day. Obviously, if you like traded late or early, it's better to hit like US market or UK market. But yeah, we're currently in a Mon USDC trade. We think it's going to go up. I'm also looking at Asta as well. I'm very, very bullish on Asta. It's hit a couple of levels of support. So I'm seeing Asta potentially going up on the smaller time frame. Asta is quite good because it's moving a lot the last few weeks. So looking at Asta, Ruslan's looking at a couple of coins, Marsha's looking at a couple of coins. He's just trying to find opportunities and maybe catch like a breakout or something. But yeah, it's a bit difficult. It's just trying to find something that's moving. We don't want to really move something like trade something that's flat. So you want to trade something if it's hitting like resistance or support or whatever.
Yeah, and
it's had a breakout.
This game is all about risk and reward. Obviously, you want something a bit more volatile. Do you think you'll maybe start another trade as well on another stock?
Yeah, potentially. We're just seeing how the market goes. But we're going to open something else in a minute. And this trade, I think, is going to do exceptionally well. We got in at a good entry. What's that?
Wow.
You're all in. Wow.
Yeah. We're just going
all in on these trades.
Yeah. No stop loss. So we're just.
No stop loss.
This is what you do when you're professionals, right? This is how the rookies trade. They put look at their chart. They got fucking line here, line there, green,
look
red.
look at this.
It looks like a 3-year-old's colouring book.
My friend, look at this.
And this is our chart. If you can see our chart down here.
Come check here. Look.
Good. Let's hear.
Come here. Look, we just opened a long position.
I don't know what
Solana.
they're doing. They're drawing.
Look at the chart.
Look,
this, what a beautiful position, man. Look at this. Like, we just opened a position and the price is pumping. Like, I can show you here.
So you guys in profit or you in loss?
$25 loss. Not bad, huh?
Could be better. Let's hear your strategy for the future.
Definitely. I mean, we still are on our Bitcoin position. Currently in a bit of a loss, but we're still holding. And we just opened this position on Solana right now.
Yeah, they're doing Solana.
Which looks very good. Della was telling me that Solana looks very bullish, so we just opened a $215 position on Solana, and we have a $1,000 position on Bitcoin. So we still have $250 to go in. So we're still waiting for it, but we still feel bullish, and we still have time. So, and again, I mean, crypto bro 69. Doing makeup. Come on, bro. Go home. You don't know what you're doing.
Seems like you don't have a worthy opponent.
Nah, he doesn't know what he's doing.
Yeah, the jury's still out if that was actually AI or not. Marsha, I'm going to come to you to talk to Ruslan. Obviously, one of the biggest crypto communities in the world, over 1.3 million people. Let's ask him, what he's learned and the journey that he's had over, the time that he's been trading.
Yes, there is. Nic special, каковы у тебя в трейдинге, у тебя journey, все насчет этого.
Что такое journey?
Путь в каком трейдинге?
У меня очень такой тернистый путь. Я 8 лет в трейдинге с 2017 года. Познакомился с крипто, когда биткоин стоил $1300. Вот. И оттуда начал потихоньку зарабатывать. Не сразу зарабатывать. Очень много проиграл денег.
2016?
17. Да, больше $10 миллионов я слил за 8 лет.
So he started trading back in 2017, and he said it was just like back in the day when Bitcoin was $1300.
Тогда стоил $1300.
Yeah, $1,300, and over the past 8 years, he probably traded over 10 миллионов. То что потерял?
Да, за весь мой путь.
Yeah, he said over the journey, over his trip, he lost around $10 million, on some of the trades. So it was.
Весь путь показывал в своем телеграм-канале.
But made it back now, I assume?
Of course. No, but he's one of the rare people who shows his obviously losses and profits, because you will see on many trading groups, people just show their profits and they hide their losses because they want to seem better or superior in a way. And there's lack of transparency. So when it comes to his trading strategies, obviously he's more focused on being transparent. When it comes to losses and profits, and his community obviously know about that as well.
Absolutely, I'm sure a lot of them watching right now. But we have a competition on our hands, going head to head, these two teams. And, let's see where they are overall in the standings. We've seen the Bulls really take strides and go ahead. But the Whales have still got a bit to catch up on, I think.
Well, let's see those scores.
Okay,
and let
let's
them
have a look
speak
at the scores,
for themselves.
Guys.
How about that?
So we're currently up The bulls are at $1,100 in the bank, and the whales are trading a little.
Okay, but you know, there's still chances to redeem themselves. And there's been a lot of mudslinging. Okay, it reminds me of the 90s, the rap battles. Are you getting this vibe?
I'm getting that vibe. I also think, you know, in these scenarios, they're going to be freestyling all over the place.
Ah, look at that. Maybe we should bring it onto the stage instead of behind the desks.
Absolutely. Look, let's drop some lyrics. We call this next section, Pump It's Got Talent.
And, you know, Sam, we have a resident rapper in the building, in the establishment.
I didn't tell you that I rap.
Okay, you're our second player.
Oh, okay, cool.
Okay, but our first player might just be from the losing team, and he has a chance to redeem himself.
no
Della
problem,
Trap?
Oh, Della Trap. That makes so much sense.
Della Trap.
Hey, first of all, I
Della
want to
Trap,
elaborate.
let's get you up.
We
Let's get you
are
rapping,
not
my
the
man.
losing team. We just invested in a couple of positions that are about to come back up.
Okay. Okay.
I don't want that negative energy. We're not losing.
Just a winner waiting to happen.
The money is invested, and it's about to come back up multiple times.
Okay.
Hey, ladies and gentlemen, our very own Della Trap on Pump It's Got Talent.
Okay.
Everybody moves. We on the ground worldwide, living good. Life itself.
Hey, can you put that up?
World Trading Tournament.
Trader Hall of Fame.
Hey.
I'm gonna need you guys to put that up. I can't hear it. The best now the game is on mine. London market to Japan. All in the race. Overlapping session. Conditions are in place. Stop loss just in case. I ain't talking out of space.
You know I'm moving smart.
Making plays on the chart
Every trade that I make.
is a work of art.
Calculated risk.
But the payoff is insane.
MetaTrader built and we making real gains.
I'm in it for the long, the reward is mine to take. With every tick and trade, I'm raising up the stakes.
From Tokyo to
UK traders know my name. Win some, lose some, is part of the game. Yeah, I ain't playing poker.
We had a little Milli Vanilli situation going on there. So was that actually you on the track, Della Trap?
Yeah, it's me, it's unreleased.
Well, it's not much of a freestyle, is it? He's obviously learned it before he come out.
Well, not quite. You see that I forgot the lyrics.
Look, there's always time to learn.
Yeah.
Well, it's always good to
I'll
see that
remember
you know
them.
the lyrics to your own song, isn't it? Good stuff.
All right, thank you, thank you.
Della Trap.
Okay, Della Trap.
Della Trap with the rap.
With a
It's good
rap.
to see.
It's pumping.
Okay, so obviously numerous talents in the team. My calendars, you know, James's ability with AI, and then of course Della Trap with the rap. Let's get into a new competition right now.
Yeah.
And give the teams an opportunity to make some more money.
I agree. Look, we've all seen and heard the talk, but we haven't seen how clever they actually are.
Yeah, they're intelligent people, but maybe it's just risk versus reward. Maybe this crypto game and trading is pretty easy. Let's put that to the test in our next competition.
Which is Cleverage.
Welcome to Cleverage. Here's how it works. 2 captains battle in a multiple-choice crypto and trading quiz. The first one to hit the buzzer answers first. First to 10 points wins the added value for their team.
Okay, guys, welcome to Cleverage. Team captains, come right on down. You're going to battle it out in the ring.
This is the showdown that we wanted to see. We've got Diogo and we've got James. They're going to battle it out right now for one of our final challenges.
Yep. And let's talk a little about these rules, okay, guys? It's a multiple choice game. We're going to read out all 3 options, and then as soon as you know what it is, you tap that buzzer.
Anyone who taps the buzzer before we finish the questions will be eliminated for that round.
Yes.
Do you both understand?
Sounds good.
So
Happy
we have to
play
wait for you
fair?
to say the
We've got to say all the options, all the questions, and
Fine.
then you can come and
we tap
your
it.
buzzer.
Yes.
It's whoever's
Points
quicker,
make prizes
basically.
with this one.
Cool. All right, let's go.
Okay, let's kick off the first question. What does bullish mean in trading? A, expecting price to go down. B, expecting price to go up. Or C, expecting price to stay flat. Right, with the... Were you going to say that?
No,
Balls.
I was
The
I was
balls.
shocked.
B.
B, the answer is B, expecting the price to go up.
Got big
So
quick there,
congratulations.
Diego.
Okay,
Be quick,
Diogo, I'm
mate.
rooting for you for this
right.
one. The second question is, what is Bitcoin primarily used for? Is it A, decentralized digital money, B, video streaming, or C, email storage?
That was too early. Too early. I'm a big fan of,
But the way that you said storage, you like delayed storage.
I'm a big fan of the balls.
Okay,
Yeah,
well, what
yeah.
is the answer?
Can you repeat the question, please?
Yes, it is. What is Bitcoin primarily used for? Decentralized digital money, video streaming, or email storage?
Decentralized. What is the answer?
A,
What's the answer?
decentralized digital money.
Yeah, first.
It is not email storage.
Hey.
Okay,
That is
guys.
correct. I was going to say that James always comes too quick.
Okay.
Let's move on to the next question. Number 3. What does HODL mean in crypto culture? A, sell quickly. B, hold long term. Or C, borrow funds? Let's go
Hodl.
with the whales.
B. Hodl.
B.
It's
the
hold
answer
long term.
is B.
Very
hold
nice.
long term. Very
Okay,
good
guys, next question. Which indicator shows overbought or oversold conditions? Is it A, RSI, B, MACD, or C, VWAP?
RSI.
Yes, it is.
Congratulations.
Faster,
right,
bro.
team. This is getting tough now.
Can we take like 2 steps back and it's whoever's like quickest?
Yeah, you've got to do 4 press-ups and then hit the button.
Sounds good.
Okay,
Obstacle course.
question number 5. A double bottom usually signals A, a continuation of a downtrend, B, a bullish reversal, or C, a sideways consolidation. James, right on the mark.
B.
What is this delay, Diogo? Like,
The answer is B. The answer is B, a bullish reversal. All right, next question.
we are rooting for you. Okay, next question, Diogo. Get your motor skills going. Okay, what is an altcoin? Is it A, any crypto that is not Bitcoin? B, a stable coin pegged to the USD? Or C, a token used only in exchanges?
Hey,
You are correct,
gotta be quicker there, Diego. Too slow, mate.
James.
I believe
These guys really know their stuff.
They
and I can
do.
tell the competition is getting tense. But James, you're standing there in your shades indoors. You seem to be pretty relaxed, and you can still see the buzzer, which is
Yeah,
ideal.
Just about.
Good stuff.
Everything's blue.
And how are you feeling, Diogo? Is the pressure getting to you? You're cool as a cucumber.
I feel bullish.
Ooh, feeling bullish. Love to hear it.
The whales feeling bullish. Seems a bit odd. Seems a bit of fish out of water there. Look, next question. What does a rising wedge typically indicate? Is it A, a bullish continuation, B, neutral movement, or C, bearish reversal? Okay, with
C.
the whales. The answer is C, a bearish reversal. Congratulations, the points go to the whales there.
Amazing.
Back in the water.
Back in the water, Free Willy. Okay, guys, you're looking very serious. You're ready for the next question, so I'll give it to you. This one's a little bit more challenging, so keep that in mind. What is a liquidity grab? Is it A, market taking out a stop-loss cluster? B, market providing more volume? C, traders avoiding volatile zones?
A.
A, you are correct. It is market taking out a stop-loss cluster.
Do you think these guys are as fast on the buzzers as they are maybe tapping out of a sale, of a trade, do you think? I think they've usually come in pretty quick. What would you say, James?
I don't know. They seem to be in a loss so far, so I don't think they're doing that.
Bro, like, he doesn't know anything about crypto. Come on, what are you asking him?
Well, look,
knows
We'll see who wins.
we're clearly going head to head. You know,
Yep.
the whales have the lead at the moment. Question 9, ladies and gentlemen. In futures trading, what does leverage allow?
Oh, fuck.
Way too
Sorry.
early. Right. Go sit down.
We just start that one again.
No
You know,
problem.
you take 2 steps back.
Okay, we're going to go to the whales. I'm gonna go through the final options, and then if you get it wrong, it gets passed back to the bulls to see if they get the win. So in futures trading, what does leverage allow? Is it A, reduce position size. Sounds interesting. B, control a larger position with less capital. Or C, remove liquidation risk.
B.
Your answer is B, and it's correct. Control a larger
Did you guess
position
that, or you actually have to think
less
about it?
capital. So once again, James showing sometimes you can be a bit too quick.
Oh, yeah, a little too cocky. Okay.
Trade's going good. Trade is going good.
Oh, no. Seems like you really have to redeem us now, Diogo.
Come on, guys.
Okay, question. Which blockchain uses gas fees to process transactions? Is it A, Bitcoin, B, Ethereum, or C, XRP? James?
You extended the P, so I waited until you
Okay,
finished.
thank you. I'm sorry
Ethereum.
for my dictation.
Sorry.
Ethereum.
Good one.
Correct. So,
Wow.
next question, guys. We're getting on to the real tough stuff now. This is going to test your abilities as not only crypto enthusiasts, but experts
Yes.
in the field.
Yes.
Next question. What is the primary purpose of a moving average? Is it A, identify supply zones? B, smooth out price data? Smooth out price data to reveal trends? Or C, increase market volatility?
B.
Wales in early, and the
Said
answer
it halfway through volatility.
is B.
Bro, you're too
Smooth
slow.
out
You're too
price
slow. bro.
data to reveal trends.
Slow guy.
James,
take
you get into a
another
lot of fights.
Wait, I'm confused. He said it halfway through. You said volatility, and then he said it, and then you said T.
I'm not
Volatility.
sure about that. I guess we make the rules, don't we? And
Alright, go
James,
on.
if he keeps
We're
going like
ahead
that,
anyway, we're
he's not
ahead
going to win
anyway.
anything.
I agree.
Yeah.
Okay,
All right.
Diogo, let's do the next question. So a bear flag typically breaks A, upward, B, downward, C, sideways.
Oh, that was
Downward.
close.
Downward?
B.
Yep, you are correct.
We've got to watch out for these guys. We're going to need a
I
photo
know.
finish
I
of how
know.
close they get to the buzzer. Look, expert level now for these questions, okay?
Oh, he will not get any one of them,
Oh,
like, for sure.
that sounds like a challenge to me.
Guys, Diogo, what is your problem with James? You seem to have a
He's
bit of
losing.
needle between it.
He's losing.
I don't have any problem. I just feel I have more knowledge than him.
I think it's a bromance gone wrong.
Let's see how we
Maybe.
get on with this next question. Maybe it will sort out the men from the boys.
Ooh.
What does MACD crossover above the signal line usually suggest? Is it A, momentum turning bearish, B, momentum turning bullish, or C, the market is consolidating? That was James.
Bullish.
The answer is correct, B, the momentum turning bullish. So we're starting to level the playing field, but the Wales seem to be a
What's
bit
the
ahead
scores?
with only a few scores to come in.
So, guys, I'm hearing bullish, I'm hearing bearish,
snap.
I'm hearing birds, I'm hearing bees. What is the difference?
None.
None? There's no difference between bearish and bullish.
Wrong.
Okay. Guess I'm
I'll agree
left
to
out
the-
by my own to learn about this.
What would you say is the difference, guys, between these two things, bearish and bullish?
Bearish and bullish. Well, bearish is obviously like negative, market's going to go down. Bullish is the
Negative.
opposite.
And bullish?
It's going to go up.
Going up.
Fantastic. Next question is with you.
Yes. You guys ready? I'll take that as a yes. What is the main weakness of Bollinger Bands? Is it A, they repaint, B, they lag during strong trends, or C, they cannot be used with volume?
Oh, was it early?
They lag during strong trends. Okay, and a Bollinger Band? What is this, like a hairband I use to tie my hair?
I think so.
Yeah.
I saw it in the dressing room on the way in. Trying to grow out my hair and maybe use that Bollinger Band. Guys, the next question. This is really getting tight at the top now before we come to our final scores of the day. This is our finale and expert level. So I hope you gentlemen are ready.
Yep.
I can tell that you're focused and ready for war. The question is, what is an order block in smart money concepts? Is it A, a random candle cluster, B, a consolidation zone where instructors place major orders, or C, a failed breakout?
B.
James came in early.
Yep.
We're going to hand it to the whales.
And look at that. The
I literally
whales-
said it on breakout.
The whales have won by a bullish margin.
Boom!
Look at that.
They would have won anyway. They're ahead.
So, guys, that brings us to the end of this game.
Cleverage.
Amazing game.
And I hear some
Cleverage.
exclamations over here, guys.
I need to run to see my trades, guys.
Yeah.
But you are a loser, bro.
Okay.
2-1.
They're desperate to head back.
Positivity happening.
Well done on the game, guys. Let's
That was
go
definitely
behind
fake.
the scenes
It was fine,
and find out what's been going on with these trades
It's fine, it's
since we played Cleverage.
Guys, let's start over here. There were screams, there was excitement. I'm loving the energy. What's happening?
Decision
Okay,
together
that's fine.
here.
Yes.
And we actually closed the long on Solana because
We needed the funds so we could
Yeah.
invest into Aster.
because
as
it was a
Iran
good
said.
opportunity on Aster. It looked like it was going to go up. He just touched the support, and so hopefully we made the right decisions.
Looking good, looking
Yeah, at least this
Yeah.
trade's profitable. So far, we made $1.11, but at least we're in the green.
It's a start. So, guys, are we at a loss? Are we at a gain? What's the status?
Where we are total currently we are at around $43 loss.
Oh, okay.
But
I
we are
wasn't
still
expecting
holding
that.
on this position. I'm still bullish on Bitcoin, and the guys also are bullish, so we
Okay,
might
so we have
need to increase
Bitcoin,
this
we have
leverage. though.
Solana. Are we in Ethereum?
But we don't have Solana anymore.
Ah.
We had to close the Solana position.
Yeah.
Okay.
We closed it at a very small loss. It was only like a $3 loss, but we needed the margin so that we can put it into Aster. Iran earlier discussed with us that it's a good project to get into for the time frame, so
At least
we.
before.
Yep, they should have listened to you. I agree.
Meanwhile, Diogo was over here battling James. Me
Yeah.
and Iran got right on the screen, and we did some technical analysis, and we seen that Aster had pretty much bottomed out for the time frame. So we just decided.
I trust my boys. I trust my team.
Hey.
We had your back while you're busy, bro.
So we have an Aster.
Yes.
We have Bitcoin.
Yes, and that's
we
it for
have
now.
Only those
only these two. Yes.
And you
Solana
guys
close.
seem pretty confident on those, so let's hope they provide those returns.
Yeah. We still have some time, no?
Yeah, we still do.
Okay.
Trust me, guys, I'm rooting for you.
How much time do we have left?
I think one more trade.
One more trade?
Yes.
Talk to me in minutes.
Okay, I'm thinking about 20 minutes.
20 minutes?
Okay.
Okay.
That's not an awful lot of time. We got to make something happen. Well, okay, so you
Okay,
talked
so
about
what would
us.
happen? What would change if, say, we had 3 minutes?
And you
Well,
gotta
we will
live
be
like
lost.
it's your last 3 minutes.
Okay, well, you guys better make it happen in those 3 minutes.
We're hoping with the Bitcoin, you know, that it's going to go up again, but we need a little bit more time.
Okay.
You know, the more time we have and the more chance we have.
Okay. Well, you got 3 minutes, so let's make the most out of it, and if not, drinks are on me.
Okay, let's go
I
over
think this
to
will go
James's team. So, Bulldog, you got to talk to me here. They're celebrating a $40 loss. What's
Yeah.
that all about? Look, tell me now what's been happening on this side of the table.
So we're currently up slightly. The only problem is we got 20 minutes. So are we going to close that trade out, or are we going to open something else and just
I
scalp
know
on
you've
a
got way
3-minute
less
chart?
than that. I've just cut that in thirds.
we've got 10 minutes.
We've got
Хотя
three.
Трон, смотри, как прет.
3 minutes.
Three to go. You've got to go all out.
We've got 3 minutes
А, 3
until the
минуты
whole
было.
thing finishes.
Хотя
Until
Трон,
we're
смотри,
done.
как хорошо прет.
Давай.
Marshall, we have 3
Не,
minutes.
мы уже
I
Трон
love how
закрыли,
their brains are
но
just
он, смотри,
whirring
как
away,
прет.
trying to work out
We've got
what
3
on earth they're
minutes.
He
gonna
said we closed the Tron position, Vena,
Падки go up.
but we closed it.
What?
Not too much, 130.
Using all these terms.
Balls to the wall.
Let's put you
думаю,
on
мы будем сидеть
leverage
просто.
next.
У них какой минус?
I can't wait. I think I'll do well because I had the answers last time, so it should be easy.
They're closing it.
But a
They're
lot
minus
of
40.
discussion happening in the team over here.
Yeah.
So, guys, just a few minutes to go.
We're just comparing the scores.
Oh, okay.
Нам нужно больше времени тогда.
So, Marsha, what's the plan these last few minutes?
Well, I kind of want to know where they're at.
We've been up the whole time, and the problem is the candle that we're on at the moment, we need another 15 minutes for it to play out.
Okay.
So the reality is, as of right now, unless this
Я
flies
думаю,
back
мы просто
up,
будем сидеть.
Да.
Ничего не делать. Да, зачем суетиться? Мы уже ничего...
how long we got? 2 minutes?
Yeah, a couple of minutes left.
We did have a long on this earlier, but we closed it out to open another trade.
It's coming
And
down
this is
to
absolutely flown.
It's coming down to crunch time here. Only a few minutes left for our teams to try and get as much profit as possible to take home that
And
final
then we
win.
have to close the trades after 2 minutes.
And then we're closing the trades.
How many minutes exactly in terms of seconds?
We're going to get back to you on that one. We'll leave you in suspense with the last couple of trades going in now. Is there going to be any final movement? It's been amazing to see these teams compete not only in their online trades, but on the floor as well.
Yes, it has been.
And against their individual
Maybe it will
teams.
reverse, yeah.
And also, I've really enjoyed the friendly rivalry, perhaps. Maybe not so much for some of the other teams as well.
Okay.
Good stuff. So we're just 1 minute away from closing these trades, guys. So do as much as you possibly can.
And we're going to bring a 2-minute timer onto the screen so you guys can battle it out and duel it out in real time.
Where's the 2-minute timer?
It's coming up on the screen right now. Keep those eyes peeled, James.
Got 2 more
Okay,
minutes.
and the countdown begins, ladies and gentlemen. So 2 minutes to go of this session of Pump It. We've seen trades that have gone up, down, sideways. We've heard words that we've never heard in our lives before.
Bullish, bearish.
And then something about a hair comb or something like that, yeah.
Bonds and bands.
Boom!
We've seen AI.
Boom.
All in 40x. Boom!
40x boom.
Oh my goodness.
Bands and bonds and booms.
They literally
alive.
copied the trade that I told them to do earlier. Asta.
Look at this candle. Look at this candle. Give us more time, guys. Give us more time.
So
Come
what are
on.
you going to do to
Time's
react,
not an
guys?
option,
They've
okay?
put a 40
It needs to be.
We need
Oh,
real
come on,
results now.
Give us a side
What's
by
the plan,
side.
guys? Come
Okay,
on, talk to me.
guys, so
Can't
the
do
time
anything
is
in
on
2
the
minutes.
clock.
We need
have a minute
15,
and 30 left.
30 minutes.
What is happening?
Come on. Yeah,
Okay.
we actually just went all in on Bitcoin.
Doesn't it seem a little late to go all in, Diogo?
Max leverage, all in, and it's pumping.
With only 1 minute left on the clock.
Yo, tell the producer to extend the show, please.
I've heard from the Bulls that they can't do anything else. Their position was set to actually make profit later down the line, but we don't have much time.
Guys, we don't have time.
Can't we extend by 1 hour?
Nope. So you guys still at a loss. You at a gain. What's the status? Give it to me now.
So currently we are $12. It's coming down again.
So what have you done differently if you could redo this?
Well, definitely I would have opened all in 40x in the beginning.
Okay, yeah.
Right, guys?
Not with only a minute to spare.
Okay, so in our final few seconds, 10 seconds to go before these trades are closed. Is there going to be any change so far? And then we'll calculate the final scores to see who wins.
Where's the countdown?
And that's us done on Pump It for our trades. The trades are now closed.
Wait till they close. Yeah,
So
close.
it's the moment everyone's been waiting for. Was it the whales? Was it the bulls? Who actually won our Pump It competition?
Okay, so let's have a look at the numbers, shall
Yes,
we?
we shall.
Because we started out with $1,000 each, and we saw an early lead from the Bulls, but then the Whales came back in fighting form in our challenges.
In all those mini games, look at that. Sometimes less is more.
It just pays off, doesn't it?
Yeah.
So let's look at the final scores now. You know, in our final prize draw, we have the Whales that are sitting at $1,366, and
the Bulls.
winners.
Yeah.
We have with $1,486 our winners of Pump It today.
Oh, yeah, we cheated.
Congratulations, the Bulls.
We win.
Seems like you had all the talk, but you have the goods to back it up.
They definitely did. And a bullish win as well.
Ah,
Nice
good one. And we learned a lot from the Whales. Maybe you go all in earlier, but again, we're not reliable for any of this advice. Purely entertainment.
And look, the trading day is over. And not only have they made some profit, but they've had a lot of fun along the way. And we hope that every single person watching as well has enjoyed it too.
Yep. So we'll see you next week on Pump It. Don't forget to like and subscribe.
We'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.
Thanks, guys.
Okay.
Is the mic off?
I'm in the zone, watch the charts, I'm cool. Futures in the game, yeah, I don't break my rules. MACD swinging, RSI is low. It's a perfect storm to watch the profits grow. I'm hustling hard, no time for a break. Crypto's volatile, but I'm stacking my cake. Gold is on the rise, making plays both ways. Up market trend, make the most of the phase. From Miami to Dubai, this my life, no pretend. Laptop on the plane, getting paid as I ascend. It's true what they say, that the trend is your friend. It's true what they say,